All right, guys, I don't know about you, but we still do a little brooming in our house to clean stuff up. So one of the brands reached out to us. We're super happy to work with them to get their new broom and dustpan set because I don't know about you, losing the dustpan is a recipe for disaster. So let's go ahead and open this up and see something I noticed on this, which I'm super excited about, is going to be the teeth on the top. I don't know if you know how to use that, but it will clean the broom off so that when you're dusting and like sweeping, you're able to get it cleaned off that much easier. So on the side of this, before we hop into it, it says how to open it, how to use it, foldable for easy storage. It is upgraded, and there is elegant and classic appearance, teeth to comb out the dirt, which is what I'm talking about, and you can stand it up or hang it up. So we use some hangers in our house, so that's going to make it easy. But let's go ahead and get this out and pop it together. I can already see super high quality stuff here. Check out the broom. There's the broom head. You've got the pole system. And then we have in here the directions on how to put it together. Last but not least, the winner chicken dinner right here, which is this bad boy. I don't know about you. This is the winner right here. If you got a proper one of these guys, cleaning off the dust or the broom head has never been easier. So let's go ahead and see what we're working with all these poles. We got quite a bit going on here. Okay, so on the installation guide, it tells you which ones you need to do. So we have an A and a B, and then it goes A, 1 at the bottom, 3 at the top, B1 at the bottom, 4 at the top. So this looks like a B4. This one is a A3. And the rest of these are the same. Okay, so that is super simple. All right, so what you have is A1. It's going to go in. This one is going to go in the stick right here. So let's go ahead and get this over here without everything falling because we don't want that to happen. All right, let's go ahead and open this guy up. Now we'll rip it off afterwards. All right, so we're going to take this. We're going to screw it in here. That's simple. Just like so. No problemo. Next one, going to put one of these guys on top. Just like that. Screw it on down. There you have it. And then this is going to go on the top part. Just kidding. This one gets 3. We're going to go another one. That makes more sense. Now I know what I'm doing. Boom. Bop. Bow. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just like that. Check that out. Right there. All right. Now, let's go ahead and put together the dustpan. You're going to see some magic here in a second. So with the dustpan, it's pretty cool because if you notice this little orange piece right here as I'm going to put it together, this actually clicks together. So you're not going to lose this anymore. I don't know about you. I lose the individual dustpan quite frequently, but I'm not going to anymore. Because check this out. Just like so, we're able to put this together, hold it together just like that. Flip this over. Ooh. And there you have it. Just like that. Boom. Wow. There you go. Look at that. That is super simple. Very easy to use. Very easy to use. Took me a minute. I'm on video. It's a lot of pressure. Let's get that off here. Check out those bristles. These things are nice and long. Like, I'm not going to lie. That's going to get some good stuff. Now, what makes that important is usually, I don't know if you've seen the more coarse bristles, do not work with this well. Look at this. Look how easy this pops through. You see how it goes through the whole entire thing? So it cleans it really well at the end of the day. Okay, next thing I can see. This has a proper lip to it. This thing is sitting downward. It's got a downward angle. Look at this, sitting flush to the table. So what it does is it's got a little hump and it's sitting downward. So you're going to swoop up and over and actually get everything to go into the dustpan without any issues. So I don't know about you, but I love good products when they think about it in a good way and they really pay attention to what makes it a good product at the end of the day. And this, to me, is a solid product with a solid design because you got the new design of the dustpan and sweeper. So check it out.